Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded, ready to go. We're heading for the ferry and we're going to Timor today. It's about 2 hours till the ferry, but it's half an hour to the ferry port. I haven't bought my tickets or anything, so let's get on the road. So we'll get there, be there in 15 minutes. So we'll be there about 7:30, plenty of time to get our tickets, get ready for the ferry, but I'm a little worried because there's no ferry there. Oh, all the other times I've come up here you can see the ferry. The ferry is there, it's just a tiny little one, very tiny little one. But I think this, according to Rome to Rio, it's a 3-hour trip, but that's not possible. It's really not possible because it's much further than the 8-hour trip from Lombok to from Sumbawa to Flores. And according to Google Maps, it's 21 hours, but Google Maps goes via the other 2 islands. So I have no idea, guys. I probably should have asked when I was there the other day, but there were a lot of things on my mind. Well, we got here, guys. It's about 7:30 in the morning for a 9 o'clock departure. Look at this, guys. I hope the GoPro's doing this justice. It's just gorgeous. That's Ende there that you can see sort of the other side of that little point. Not this little village here. I don't know the name of that village, but underneath the volcano there is Ende. Just gorgeous, guys. Now, so I was supposed to be waiting an hour and a half. Turns out we're delayed till lunchtime, 12 o'clock. So I've got a 4.5 hour wait, even for boarding. So that's all right. It works out good, guys, because it's an 18-hour sail, cruise, whatever you call it. And I would have arrived like 3 o'clock in the morning or some ridiculous time, but thanks to the delay, I'll arrive at around 6 o'clock in the morning, if we're on time. So yeah, and I can get a cabin for 57 Australian, so about 40 US I can get a cabin. That's my plan. Set up in there comfy for the trip. Amazing, guys. Now we've just got to wait 4.5 hours. I've got to wait a couple of hours before I can even get a ticket because they're all at church this morning. Well, I've got my ticket and I paid an extra, about maybe an extra 10 US so I could have a cabin because it is 18 hours. That way I can charge stuff up. I can have leave my gear nice and safe, locked up. But let's see if we can get on the boat now. Well, I'm on board. I can't get my cabin for an hour though, so I can't unload the bike, but that's all right. It's all happening in sections. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at Ende over there in the distance. Just gorgeous. And this is 18 hours I'm on this one, so it's a long trip. And away we go at last. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, it is 1:05. And we were supposed to leave at 9 o'clock this morning, but when I arrived here it had been changed to 12, and now it's 1 o'clock and we're just leaving. So hopefully, hello, hopefully we'll arrive in Kupang about 7 o'clock in the morning. We're just about there. I got up, it was really choppy last night. I got up this morning worried about her, but they'd moved her out here and had her tied off to the east. They've done a really good job. And I just came down now to make sure she was untied so I could leave. And they've already got her untied, so they did a great job. That was my big worry, if you remember from the early ferries, that she'd fall over in the night. This is the Timor Leste consulate in Kupang. There's no one here, and the security guard's a bit of not the most intelligent man. I've asked him a million times via Google Translate, can I get a visa at the border, and he just keeps telling me this place is shut. Shut till Wednesday. It's now Monday. Oh dear, guys. And I'm running out. It's the 11th today, so Wednesday will be the 13th. I'm running out of Indonesian visa. And guys, you can see why the ship was so rough yesterday or last night. It's been a big blowing a storm, and this is quite calm compared with the rest of the day. Yeah, it was a choppy ride last night. And guys, we're all loaded, ready to go. Heading for East Timor today. I doubt we'll get there today, but we'll get a few of the miles up, depending on this weather. It's the 11th, 12th today, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've got 4 days to get out of the country. But that's plenty of time, guys. It's only 9 hours to Dili, so it's about like 5 or 6 hours to the border, I think. We'll make that in heaps of time. I would have filmed a video, but I've been having a lot of the helmet cam footage I did had no audio, so I don't know what's going on. But for now, guys, I'm going to get on the road, head for East Timor, Timor Leste. And Timor Leste uses US dollars, so sometime in the next couple of days I've got to get some US dollars to pay for my visa and things. As you saw, I went to the Timor embassy yesterday, Timor Leste embassy, and it was shut. It's not open till tomorrow morning, and I can't risk, anything could go wrong, outstaying my visa. So everyone says, including Mr. Google, that I can get a visa on the border, but I just have to have the money to pay for it. So I have to make sure I've got some US dollars. I think it's $50, but I'll get 100 to be sure. Well, we've got Indonesian rupiah, enough to change, but now we've just got to find a money changer. Hopefully a bank that's open. None of the banks in anyway, none of the banks I've been to before have changed money, but because on one island they use 2 different currencies, I'm hoping, because I trust the bank a lot more than I trust the money changer. I'm definitely getting rained on today, guys. Just stopped for a coffee. There's a hotel 40 minutes up the road. It's so wet. So wet. Well, this is what I've woken up to. I've got no choice but to go though. All my clothes are still wet from yesterday. I've had no choice because it's Wednesday today. I have to be out of Indonesia by Friday night. So let's go and pack. Hit the road. Well, I was so proud yesterday when I arrived to tell me they had a swimming pool, which I just laughed at them because I was dripping, soaking from head to toe, but I wasn't expecting this. Really very nice. Sadly, we're inside a cloud. Oy. Nice little cafe. Very, very surprising. Well, we're loaded, ready to go. Going to do about 3.5 Google Maps hours today. I put a hotel into Google Maps that's right on the border, but I've got no data because my Australian phone is not displaying its screen. So, and if you remember from when I first got to Medan, I couldn't, my Indian phone, the phone I bought in India, because I've got an Australian passport, wouldn't work in. So anyway, guys, I've set up Google Maps, but I can't change it. And hopefully, when I get to East Timor, the Indian phone will work. Cruz tus dedos, or cross your fingers. I just stopped for a cold drink, and Robert and his daughter and his wife stopped to say hello. Robert's English is amazing, so I've been sitting here having a chat, And all the other locals that came down to see who this guy was on a big motorbike.
Mr. Paul, God bless you.
Well, we're right on the border, guys, staying at the King Star Hotel with these amazing people looking out for me. Oh, a few other bikes here. Look at this. Yeah, I think they're Japanese. I think I saw them booking in earlier on. Yeah, I wonder if they're going the same way I am. Bike guys, now my data did work, so once your SIM card's registered you can put it in any phone. It was just the day. Oh wow, there's a whole group. CRFs, Africa Twins. Yeah, so that must have been a big group. Another Transalp, that was a Transalp down the road at the other side. Yeah, they must have anyway guys, I'll get back to what I was saying. Yeah, so once your SIM card's registered in Indonesia, you can put it in any phone. So that, and for those that don't remember, when I was trying to register my phone, I bought the phone in India. My passport was Australian, so the Indonesian website wouldn't accept it. So, but yes, long story short, I've got data. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.